If you're worried about the coronavirus, the flu, the common cold, or you just have allergies, I'm going to show you how to disinfect your vehicle's HVAC system. And what we're going to do is take your favorite disinfectant spray, okay, and then you're going to cycle your AC system from hot to cold, fresh air to recirc, and then your other, floor, defrost, and so on. So what we're going to do first is we're going to do the fresh air. All right. So we're going to turn the AC system on full high on the fan speed. Fresh air on cold. Now you're going to find your fresh air inlet on the outside the cowl of your vehicle. Sometimes they're on the driver's side, sometimes they're on the passenger side. Pop the hood and you should see a vented area. Take your disinfectant spray. That step. Okay, so we did that. Now what you would do is you go through and select each mode. Okay, that's going to open up all your doors, different areas, spray it through. Okay, and that way you have every area of it. Now for max AC and max heat, which is max, that is your recirc. When you have it on recirc, it closes off the fresh air door which we just sprayed in outside. So what we're going to do now, turn it back to cold. Spray right down here on the passenger side floorboard. Okay, just give it a nice little spray, and then close it. Go ahead and you can spray the rest of the interior. And then close it up and let that circulate. It's also a good time to check your cabin air filter. If your vehicle has it, go ahead and replace that too, get you a fresh one in there. I hope this DIY video has helped you. If you're in the Savannah, Georgia area or the surrounding area and you would like Georgia Auto Service to perform this procedure, I charge $25 per vehicle. Thank you and have a great day.